Hi everyone! Today we're going to unbox a new e-bike accessories. Taran! Hello ka Fast Forward! Welcome po sa aking YouTube channel, The Fast Forward TV. Kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, click subscribe at para ma-notify ka araw-araw sa mga uploaded natin, don't forget to click the notification bell. This is a 2-in-1 bike security alarm and a bicycle taillight. So this is one of my upcoming favorite accessory for my bike because of course, considering the security of our bike. Alright, so just to give you a preview about this product. First of all, it is a USB charging, long time battery life. That is most important thing. And what I like in this is smart lighting sensoring, wherein if you have a brake or you slow down your bike, it will sensor and it will activate the tail light or the brake light. What else? Anyway, the component of this is aviation aluminum, so it's a light material and secure even though under the rain because it is IP65 waterproof. What else? There is integrated radio bell and smart braking and high brightness, which is very important for your high visibility in the evening. And of course, it acts as a reflectorize, right? Let's talk about the technical details of this taillight. Color, it is a combination of red and black, which is my favorite color combination. The brand is XIAOKOA. Obviously, it is made from China. The material made is polymer and the power source is battery powered, wherein included in the box is a power charger, so we can see it later. And of course it is a water resistance and the grade is IP65. So the mounting type of this is seat mount, so it could be mount under the seat. And the dimension, let's talk about the dimension. It is 5.51 by 4.33 by 1.85 inches. So it's just a very small thing, but it's powerful. Why? Because it could reach up to 120 decibel. Could you imagine that? And there's also a number of settings. There were 3 number of settings, right? And auto park position. So if you're going to locate your bicycle, you can press the light and the remote could reach up to 50 meters away. So even you park your bike very far from you, you could actually turn on the beep or the light so that you could identify where is your bike. So very, very amazing. Now, let's take a look what is inside this box. The taillight and the alarm, of course, the main. We have some sort of box, in a box, which is, I don't know what it is. Let me check. Alright, so there's some straps if you wish to mount onto the stem of the seat. And the under seat mount. The charging cable, which is USB to micro USB. And some tools, the Allen wrench and screws to attach the mount. And what else? I guess this is also a mount under the seat. And another sets of straps. And included is also the remote control. I don't know if battery is included with the package. Let me check if this is functioning or not. Alright, so let's talk about one by one or piece by piece. Of course, first, the remote control. On top of it, to lock. On the middle is to unlock. And this sound or the tune on the third button. And to ring the bell is the last button. Right? So, let me check how to connect this thing. Alright, there's a note over here. Please charge the tail light to activate the remote control before the first using. So, guys, let's charge it. Let's find the cable. Alright. And let's connect the tail light. Oops. Alright, so now it's charging. Anyway, so let's review once again. So there's a USB charger, long time battery life, light sensoring, quick mounting, yeah, and durable plastic made, IP65, it's a waterproof, radio bell, smart braking, reflector lamp shade, and high lumen LEDs. So while waiting for our taillight to be charged, let's talk about the modes that I mentioned a while ago. There were 3 modes. We're in flash, intermittent mode, breathing mode, and the third one is strobe mode. And actually, the running time of the battery is 20 to 40 hours. It depends on how you use it. So for a brightness, low brightness, it will reach up to 20 to 40 hours. So if you use for a mid brightness, it will run for up to 12 to 30 hours. However, if it's high brightness, it will run only up to 8 to 6 hours. Not bad. Now it's been charged for a while, and let's try to connect. Okay, so to turn it on, by simply activating the lock sensor. Oh, it's very loud. So it's activated, and I will try to vibrate it to listen the sound. Oh, it's very loud. It's very, very loud. And to change. Alright. The bell. It's pretty loud. It's worth it. Worth it. It's pretty loud. Alright, again. To unlock. Alright, so it's free to move. Nice one. Alright, so the taillight and the alarm system is already mounted. Alright. It's very cute. And the controller is located over here. Actually, the controller, you can detach it, so that if you park your bike, then definitely you can take along with you. Alright, so let's take a look how it functions. So to lock it, just press this, and you can hear a beep. So meaning it's activated. Let's check. If I'm going to touch, accidentally it will only beep once. But if it's intentional and I will do it again within 30 seconds from its first beep, then means intentional. Alright, so I will turn it off. That's it. So it's functional, and I think it's worth it. So for the guys who own like this and wanted to secure their bikes, then I suggest you to have this kind, so that you will feel more secured rather. Right, so once again, so you can use actually the remote to turn on the light. Okay, so there are actually 4 different modes. breathing, drop, and steady. And the fifth click would turn off. So that's it. Thank you so much.